Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet the St. Patrick's Day hat patch. As usual, we will be starting with a slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 20 chain crochet stitches. Once you are done with 20 chain crochet stitches, starting from the first stitch itself, we will make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch till end of the row, till end of the line. One double crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'm trying to give you quite slow demonstration, but even though any of you want to refer tutorial video for how to make double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You can refer the video. It is with written instructions. Slow demonstration is given, quite simply explained, so you won't find it difficult. So just getting back to video, we are making one double crochet stitch in each single stitch, starting from the first stitch itself till end of the row. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Once you are done with the last stitch, just make a chain crochet stitch and turn your crochet work. Okay, again starting from the first stitch itself, we will make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. So in same pattern, like we have to make 6 rows. Okay, following same pattern. I'll just complete those 6 rows and I'll show you. It's a very good way to change a simple boring t-shirt into a nice good looking one. See, I've done with my 6 rows. Okay, now we will add black yarn. I'll just make my last double crochet stitch. Okay, to add the black yarn we need 2 loops on the needle, so just keep 2 loops on the needle. Don't cut your green yarn, we will be needing it back again, and pull black yarn from both of the loops at once and then make a chain crochet stitch and just turn your work. Now again we have to follow same, we have to make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch, only we will be using back thread of each stitch. See, I'm using back thread of each stitch to make a double crochet stitch. So similarly I'll be making 2 rows. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, here I'm done with the two rows with the black thread. Okay, now we will get back to green yarn. As you know, we need 2 loops on the needle to add a new yarn. So again we will keep 2 loops, pull that green yarn from both the loops at once and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, and turn the work. Now we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Again we will be using only back thread of every stitch. Okay, so we are making 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. We are going to make 2 such rows. So I'll just complete this rows and I'll show you. Just remember 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and we are using just back thread of every stitch. You can cut your black yarn, we don't need it anymore. I'll just complete these 2 rows and I'll show you. Then almost our hat patch is complete. After that we just need to make a yellow buckle. I'll just show you how. So this is the way our hat patch will look. Okay, now we need to make a yellow buckle in between. For that we will use yellow yarn, and we will make 16 stitches, chain crochet stitches, 16. Okay, I'll just complete 16 stitches. See, I'm done with the 16 stitches. Now I'll join first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, so I get a circle. Okay, now we will make 2 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now after this we will make 3 double crochet stitches in first stitch itself. 3 double crochet stitches. We are going to follow a pattern like 3 1 1 1. Like in first stitch I am making 3 double crochet stitches in one first stitch itself. Then in second, third and fourth I'll be making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. So it's like in 3 continuous stitches we will be making 1 double crochet stitch, and every fourth stitch we are making 3 double crochet stitches in one single stitch. Okay, so it start taking shape of a square. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. At last we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now just count total number of stitches you have. Okay, and we have to divide it into 4 equal groups. So before starting every group, like we will make 2 chain crochet stitches, then in each single stitch of every group we will make a slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, once we are done with one group, then make 2 chain crochet stitches, again make one slip stitch in each single stitch, again make 2 chain crochet stitch. So because of this 2 chain crochet stitches you get those corners of a square. Okay, once you are done, just stitch your yellow buckle on the hat and stitch your hat on the t-shirt, and see how good your t-shirt looks, and you are ready for St. Patrick's Day parade. So if you like the video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.